interrupt Michelle, it's why.
Okay.
Yeah, just put that arm in.
Okay.
Now look at that.
Oh, it's not on the back shoulders properly. Not on the back properly.
Yeah, look at that.
Put it back.
You don't have to have those drones in.
Put the arm on the back. Yeah, across the back shoulder. Yeah, there.
How gay is that? That looks like boobs.
Oh! He doesn't need them, he doesn't play with them.
That's why you got them tied up.
Looks like two
Look at that.
2 litre milk bottles.
Look at that now.